Look at that. A little bit of butter. Delicious.
Look at magic. An edible masterpiece, if I do say so myself.
I'll be giving you big principle recipes where I'll tell you exactly what to do and, most importantly, get you guys cooking more.
Wow, look at those gorgeous challah bread. Every little detail here is a result of a few decades of learning and cooking and studying and traveling.
The basil pesto that I make here, it feels like Italy to me. Oh, it's so good.
In Argentina, this is the way we eat it. Every Sunday, the perfect steak with chimichurri.
And this is very unique to Indian food. We flavor at different levels.
This is where I come from, this is where I live, this is where I'm at my happiest.
And I want to show you how to make a really, really good version of fried chicken.
A little tip, 1 egg to 100 grams of flour will make you nearly always a pretty perfect dough. And from this, we can do anything.
Cooking should be about feeling. It should be about using all your senses. Still paying attention?
I think what makes a good teacher is someone that can inspire you and get you to think that you can do it. Welcome to the wonderful world of Yorkshire pudding.
I would take a warm bath in this any day.
Look at those beauties.
Look at this! Ta-da!
This is so worth the time it takes to make it from scratch.
I think the closer you are to cooking, the happier life you'll have.
Hello!
You don't even go to a restaurant anymore.